Maat's guiding light and the ripples of righteousness. With gratitude we benefit and receive the gifts of life in which we believe. In peaceful hearts, our souls find rest, harmony within, our spirits blessed. Respecting others' property, we stand in unity, hand in hand. All life is sacred, a truth we hold dear. With offerings genuine, we give blessings throughout the year. No falsehood, harm, or stolen gain. In Maat's love, we shall remain. With Maat's ideals as our guide, we shall succeed in building a world where all souls are freed. In Maat's spirit, let us find our own way, for her values in our hearts shall forever stay. As we walk this earth, let her teachings be our song, in thought and deed, to right the world's wrong. With her by our side, we all belong, so that in the here and now, unity and love are strong. With truth in our hearts, our path is clear. In harmony with Maat, we hold her dear. Sincerity in words, the language of our soul, connecting, making every broken heart whole. Consuming only our fair share, we vow. Words of good intent we utter, here and now. Purity we hold high, a guiding light, spreading joy both day and night. With words of good intent, we sow seeds of love. And in peace, our souls take flight like a dove. We terrorize no one, no laws do we defy. In Maat's path, our spirits fly. Spreading laughter, open to love's embrace. Forgive, be kind, in every place. Embrace the all in unity's call. In Maat's name, we stand tall. In Ani's papyrus, under Anubi's guide, in Duat's realm, where souls reside. The laws of Maat we recite with care. To pass the judgment, our hearts laid bare. Robbery and violence we firmly cast aside. In the realm of justice, our hearts abide. With gratitude our hearts overflow for the blessings of life that continue to grow. In peaceful moments our spirits find rest. Harmony and serenity, we manifest our best. Keeping the waters pure, in nature's tender care, speaking with good intent, love's truth we share. In every heart, kind words we sow, lifting spirits high, letting love's river flow. Pure waters we keep, anger and arrogance cease. In Maat's love, our hearts find peace. Doing our best in each moment we live, communicating with compassion, we freely give. Listening to opposing voices, we learn and grow. Creating harmony where understanding will flow. Advancing with integrity, our spirits align. Embracing the all in the grand design. In these virtues, our life's purpose we find. In love and kindness, we are all intertwined. With her as our guide in life's intricate maze, we'll create a world of love in every place. In the geometry of pyramids high, and in the stars that grace the sky, in the measurements of land and Nile, Maat's influence spans mile by mile. No theft, no deceit, no food unjustly gained. In Maat's truth, our hearts remain. So let us honor Maat in thought and deed. With love and trust, all hearts we feed. With each choice we make, let justice lead. In the spirit of Maat, we find what we need. With her virtues, we can truly raise the bar and create a world where love is what we are. In Maat's embrace, we find our way, guiding our steps, both night and day. With hearts lighter than a feather, we see ancient wisdom's legacy in you and me.